What's going on, everybody? My name is Seth and you're watching 252 Squad, and in today's video we have an absolutely wild one. We go ahead and tear apart my blown up Gen 1 Coyote that I sent 28 pounds of boost through with my twin turbo kit, see what broke essentially with that motor, figure out all the problems with it, and tear it all apart. That way that I can tear apart a 6,000 mile Gen 3 Coyote long block from a 2020 Mustang GT, tear it all apart, go ahead and put some new head gaskets, some bolts, all kinds of stuff in it, get everything swapped over, show you how to do a 311 Coyote build, probably the ultimate budget Coyote build for an S197 5.0 Mustang. And yeah, overall, it was a great time, great video, lots and lots of learning. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's pretty funny and definitely hurt the bank account quite a bit. Alrighty, boys, so we're going to go ahead and start on the disassembly of the Gen 1 here. Tyler's currently taking the valve covers off. I am working on other things like coilovers and a bunch of other stuff on this thing. So he's doing all of this work while I'm doing that. So he's going to go ahead and rip all these 10 mils off, pull this valve cover off on both sides. And then once we get that off, we're just going to look at the cams and everything, see if there's anything noticeable on the top end itself, and then go from there. Maybe have to pull cylinder heads off and everything like that.
Hey guys, it's Brandon here filming. Sean's not here, and he's normally our photographer or filmer, but yeah.
You just did that upside down so badly.
It's okay.
All right, boys. So, God, you're terrible at this. We're gonna attempt to pry these valve covers off. I myself stuck them on when I did my oil pump gears. There's also an engine crane in the way.
Do you know what you're doing?
No.
Do you?
He works for Chevy.
What do you mean works for a Chevy? He works on Chevys.
He is a Chevy.
Man's like, what is this booth motor doing in my damn garage?
It's God's motor. Even the Chevy guy knows it.
Woo!
I'm about to say which one of them. Is that bolt all the way up?
Yeah. This is going to be fun.
Hold up.
Boys, don't tell the apartment complex. Luckily, it was mostly water in the engine. He pulled the water pump off, and she yeeted her guts out everywhere. Did not go well. We got the valve covers off. Everything in the cams looked absolutely perfectly fine. Timing chains are all tight and everything like that, which I didn't think anything was going to be an issue with that. It was just helping out of the breathers. I think there's a piston or piston ring issue, maybe a bent rod, something like that. Having a lot of, like combustion pressure in the crankcase, which is not good. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and clean this up right fast before Tyler gets in trouble because we're currently in his garage. But once we get that cleaned up and the front cover off, we'll show you a little bit more. All right, boys, I'm the cameraman this time. The boys popping the front cover off right now.
Hammer. All right, bro.
I'm scared. Oh, she's coming a little bit. Hey, Brandon. Let me get a face shot. There we go.
That's gonna be the
I need a good one for the thumbnail. Oh, the camera. Do it now. There you go. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Oop.
Go from the bottom. Hey, bro, why you got so much RTV?
Bro, I'm trying to make sure the thing don't leak like your car is.
It's actually not leaking a single bit.
That's crazy.
I know. I think we put something on backwards, but it's not leaking.
I said put something on backwards. It's crazy work.
Hold the phone, hold the phone, hold the phone.
Hold the phone. Oh, there's a tight bolt right there. Right there. Right there. I found the problem.
Where's the 13 mil?
Where's the 13?
Bro, that was the one that we were fighting over.
Yeah, and you didn't give me the damn thing.
Yes, I did.
Mommy and Daddy are fighting again.
Oh, hold up.
Wait, put it back. Put it back where it came from.
Put it back in the hole?
Put it back in the hole.
Alright.
Whoa, that looked a lot better.
Where did that bolt come from, bro?
Probably the exact place I just...
Then you just stay all...
They're all gonna fall out.
Push it back in a little bit.
But guess what? We got it all on video, so we're good.
No, that's not how it works. You're so different lengths. That's why you don't...
This is bottom corner right here. Still catching. Hold up. There you go. Don't lose my gaskets. Those hose are brand new.
And they need to be replaced.
No, they don't.
No, I was fine.
Oh, okay, never mind. They need to be replaced. They're like AutoZones. Well, boys, there's now coolant in my oil pan. All right, so we got a little carried away. We got the cylinder head off. We actually pretty sure found out what the problem is, and it happens to be on that cylinder right there. But all the other ones don't look too terribly bad. We got the front cover off, nothing in the timing like I suspected. I have already started loosening all the cam cap bolts there to go ahead and take this side off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this cylinder head off, see if it's having any issues inside internally like this side was having. Once I see what this is looking like, I'll show you what that's looking like to give a brief determination of what's gonna happen to this Gen 1 short block, which at this point, it's not looking too great. Alrighty, so we, as you can see, had the bad scoring in cylinder 8. Right now, we're dropping the pan off so I can grab a few parts off this Gen 1 because I do have another motor in the back of the square body over there that may or may not be a Gen 3 Coyote. And we're going to essentially take everything off of this and go ahead and get ready to swap it over to the new setup.
So braking is the reason for this.
Well, boys, we centered a little too hard. Looks like we're going to need another Gen 3 long block. You know, the thing is the square body's got too much brakes and not enough power. I think it needs an LS and a blower. Oh my word. That's an interesting one. As long as the engine itself is fine, we're chilling, hopefully. Okay, that's...
Not like that. Not like that. Someone else needs to come over here. So
we'll be back. Alrighty, boys. So we got the Gen 1 off of the engine stand, as you can see there. We have it on the pallet here where the Gen 3 was at. We have the Gen 3 sitting over there. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting the rest of this disassembled. So we got this like reluctor wheel, this bell housing thing that Brandon's messing with, and then we can get everything swapped over onto the engine stand, and go ahead and disassemble that Gen 3, so we know what we need to swap onto this Gen 1. How you feeling, Brandon?
Pretty good, honestly.
Boys, we got it on a stand. I almost lost literally everything I've ever worked for in my life. Just kidding. I paid $800 for this Gen 3. What do you... Oh, yeah, we got to take it. We're going to go ahead and start taking it all apart. I'm going to leave this probably mostly up to me and Tyler and not Brandon. He's supposed to be cleaning my engine bay right now, but he got a little ADHD'd out. So, anyways, we're going to do the big boy stuff. He is working, at least. Doing more work on my car than he did on his own. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and take this Gen 3 apart and see what she's looking like. Well, boys, we've been cranking away. We got pretty much everything torn apart on the Gen 3 to go ahead and take the heads off, which is a great thing. If anybody wants to buy these, they will be up for sale. So leave me a comment.
Take it or leave it.
Not $300. Definitely more than that for these Gen 3 heads. But anyways, direct injectors and all. Hit me up in the comments. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and take these cylinder heads off and go ahead and see the bottom end and make sure everything looks good there. All right, we need to deep clean now all the cylinders. And
Don't worry, I already did that.
Like, did you wipe it all down with a fresh microfiber?
I don't think we have a fresh microfiber. Nope. We really gotta get some better lighting in here, bro. Alright, I got a can of brake clean coming for $10 cash. Really? Someone's gonna pay up the $10 cash because I don't got cash.
we have the fastest S197s in the world other than Brandon 3-valve.
I have the fastest 3-valve in the world.
How did the motor end up upside down? I was going for 5 seconds to take a leak.
I don't know, man. I was asking the same thing.
Subscribe to 252 Squad. I am generationally in debt, and I please beg of you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
2 Squad is so big right now. We have to clean on tap. Here you go.
Yeah, I'm actually working, boys.
Brandon's doing work, guys. It's a miracle.
Yeah, we're also.
That was sketchy.
Oh, look at you go!
Oh no, not the coolant! No! The HOA is gonna hate me.
I swear to God,
I was like the wrong ride for this. But...
I mean, it's a Gen 1 Coyote. Gen 1 Coyote. $500 minimum bets on the races.
It's gonna be a stock Gen 1, by the way.
It's gonna be a stock Gen 1. It's gonna be cold air intake, long tube headers, and a tune from 1 racing and some weight reduction.
Man, screw one.
And if
Probably
better. And if it beats your Gen 3 10 speed, I just want to let you know your crap sucks and sell that hoe.
It's gonna be a Gen 1. Gen.
Hey, don't look at the cylinder walls. Don't look at the cylinder wall. It's a Gen 1.5. I made my own Coyote. I may or may not know what I'm doing building a Coyote, but this man here says it looks clean enough to him, so I'm gonna slap the head gaskets on it. And if in 5 videos from now or 2 videos from now you see me going, hey, I blew the head gaskets, I'm gonna need you to drop a comment and be like, hey, idiot, I could have told you this head gasket is going to blow. But anyways, subscribe to 252 Squad because I am now in crippling debt because as you can see, there's Coyote, Coyote, Gen 3 heads, Gen 1 heads, a seat, no interior. I have no money left. I have no clue what's going on, guys.
I'm losing my mind.
I'm gonna slap some head gaskets on.
45 minutes and it did nothing.
I'm gonna slap some heads on and pray to God that this thing doesn't blow up. But it's gonna be a rocky road. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
Well, we're gonna see.
All right, boys. I very stressfully got the cylinder heads installed. There's a lot of variables going on right now. So we're using 12mm head studs from a Boss 302R head changing kit. Brandon just started his clapped out turbo 3 valve. I'm using Boss 302 head gaskets on a Gen 3 bottom end. And the torque specs are not the same. Oil got in the head gaskets. So we brake cleaned those out. And I don't know if I trust those still. And yeah, it did not want to torque. I'm gonna be honest, they were popping and crackling a lot, but nothing broke. Hopefully they're all torqued down. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cams in and get this thing timed right fast. All right, so it's been a couple of days actually since the last clip. We got everything timed, cams in, everything's in. Currently working on a front cover. Boys, it's 8 o'clock at night. We're out here raw dogging it out. Got to pay an extra $5 on the YouTube channel now for seeing that. Yeah, we're painting up the front cover because I'm poor and I can't afford a new one. So this is my old Gen 1 one, and we're painting it gloss black because I want to look cool. But yeah, I know this video is probably very separated. You're probably like, what the heck is going on? Don't worry, I promise you, I will have an engine together by the end of this video. Putting that onto the engine, and then I got a little bit of buttoning other things up. And we're also in the middle of doing a timing job on a 3 valve. So yeah, if you need any work hit up in the Raleigh area, let us know. Hit us up on the Instagram right fast. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish putting this engine together, and hopefully she will be dialed. All right, so we got most everything assembled on the engine, front covers on, everything like that. And though I got it off the stand, we are assembling everything in the back here. So I'm getting ready to put the flywheel and everything on the shield and all that stuff. So it should be good to drop in the next video. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video right here, taking everything apart off the Gen 1, Gen 3, and assembling everything. I thank y'all so much for watching. If you don't mind clicking that subscribe button and liking this video, because I'm gonna need all the support because I am drained after this. But yeah, we got a motor together. It's gonna be a good time. Don't mind clicking that subscribe button. Hope you have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.